Welcome back. Want a smoother and more responsive Samsung phone? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to switch from 60 Hz to 120 Hz for a faster, more fluid display experience in just a few taps. First off, all swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings panel. Tap the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and select display. Next, scroll until you find motion smoothness and tap on it. This setting lets you choose how smoothly your screen refreshes. Depending on your Samsung model and software version, you'll see options like standard, 60 Hz, and adaptive or high. To enjoy the smoother display experience, select adaptive. On supported devices, adaptive mode can intelligently switch between refresh rates based on what you're doing, helping deliver smooth performance while also improving battery efficiency. If your phone shows high instead, simply choose that option to enable the maximum refresh rate available. After selecting your preferred option, tap the Apply button at the bottom of the screen. Your display will update instantly and you'll immediately notice smoother animations, more fluid scrolling, and a more responsive feel throughout the interface. That's it. Switching to 120 Hz is complete. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful Samsung guides.